Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about Shopify's checkout and order status page. Since the introduction of checkout extensibility, modifying anything on Shopify's checkout or order status page, or making any edits requires relying on apps and installing various extensions. So, in today's video, I have brought a feature that will be visible on the checkout page and the order status page. I'll show you what this feature is, how it works, and how to implement it. Let's proceed further and head to our Shopify admin. Whenever we order a product, after placing the order, we receive a confirmation message containing the product details, payment details, our address, and any personal information, all displayed in one place. Along with this, we also receive an email with similar details about the product, address, and personal information. In this video, I'll add another option here for a QR code. I'll explain why we add a QR code, its benefits, and how to implement it. Let's move forward and go to our Shopify admin. First, we'll talk about why we use QR codes and what their advantages are. We use QR codes so that, for example, if you are a customer who has ordered a product online and you want to receive your product on time or as quickly as possible, sometimes online deliveries can take a long time, which delays receiving the product. In such cases, QR codes can be used to visit a nearby store, scan the QR code, and pick up the product directly from the store, saving time. Another benefit of QR codes is that if you want to track your order, you can scan the QR code to see the status of your order. This is Shopify's default email. Here is our customized QR code email. For example, after placing the order, an email will be sent to you that will include an option for a QR code. By scanning this, you can check whether your order has been shipped, is pending, fulfilled, or delivered. Now, let me practically show you how to scan the QR code and see the order status. To do so, we first need to place an order. For instance, after filling in all the order details and proceeding to payment, you will see the usual confirmation page with an additional QR code option displayed. Similarly, when you place an order, you will receive a QR code in the confirmation email, which you can scan to pick up the product from any store or to track the order status. So now, as I scan the QR code using the scanner, all the details related to our product, payment, and other relevant information will be displayed. After scanning, you'll see the Shopify URL displayed on your screen. You just need to click on it, and once you click, all the details of your order will open up. Here, you can see all the information related to your address, the product, and other details. You can also view your order ID and the current order status, which shows as confirmed and written, "We have received your order." Earlier, we discussed the benefits of QR codes and how to use them. Now, let me show you how to update the order status from the admin. Let's go back to the admin where we see the order we just placed. For example, if a customer goes to a shop to pick up their product by scanning the barcode, it's not necessary for every store employee to have access to the Shopify store. That's why we've added the order tracking feature. So once a product is picked up, the order status can display as fulfilled. For this, the admin has to update the order status in the admin panel. I'll now show you how to do this. Go back to the admin panel and click on the order we just placed. The order status currently shows as unfulfilled. Let's fulfill the order. After fulfilling the order, the status will change to shipped. Now, if we scan the QR code again, we'll see the updated status. Earlier, it was showing we have received your order, but now it shows on its way because we updated the status in the admin panel. This is how you can track the status of your order using a QR code. This was today's video. If you like this video and want to implement the QR code option on your store, you can contact us. Our contact information is available in the video description. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.